Hey y'all, it's your girl Jay and I'm back with another video. Of course, as you can tell by the title, we is about to get into this closure curly bob goodness. I'm about to slay it for y'all real quick. You see I added my little jewels, made it real cute personal, you feel me? So yeah, I'm about to get into this video, let y'all go ahead and get into it, start to finish, and yeah, let me know how I did in the comments. Did I slay or not? Like, is you feeling it or nah? Like, but yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright, so first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and say excuse my crusty ass face, and I do go ahead and move out this bathroom and get better lighting soon, like you see in the video at the beginning of this video, but don't mind that. So I already did my bald cap method. I took off my previous wig. You can catch my TikTok, see me do that little process. But anywho, bald cap method done. I'm using my I Am Beautiful Hustler glaze glue. I love this freaking glue. This is my first time using it for this install, but this install is actually 10 days old, hunty. Well, it's not 10 days old. Y'all seen it as a fresh install, but as I speak in this mic, it's 10 days old. And honey, check out my page right now. Currently, I've recently uploaded new pictures on my Insta and on my Facebook and on my TikTok. You see videos of me and my wig. We slaying, we laying, and we still look good. Anywho, this glue is awesome. Very thin. You don't need a lot. A little bit go a long way. I think I did like 4 layers in y'all face, y'all. Like, honestly, this video even that much sped up just a tiny bit. Like, these layers of glue dry very quickly, like very quickly. You don't gotta break out your blow dryer on this part. Like, super awesome. Okay, so if you keep up with me on like any of my other social media platforms, you will know that I usually never glue my wigs down, but I'm about to start back getting into it just because it's like a good slay, good melt, you know. But I'm doing about 4 layers of the glue, and now I'm going to go ahead and slide my wig on. This is just a 4x4 Brazilian curly closure wig. This is from my website, prettybabeshustle.com, so you can go ahead and copy one. So right now I'm just laying it on the glue, pressing it in, press. Y'all know how this go. For real, slaying and laying wigs ain't even that hard. You just get better and better and better, and they just get more and more flawless. But the whole technique of itself in the process is the same. You just get better at doing it, you know. I'm taking this little melt belt, lace melt belt. These are from, again, prettybabeshustle.com, my website, my brand, my heart, my love. Go ahead, check us out, link in the bio. But yes, put that lace melt band on, y'all. These I love way better than scarves. I used to lay my wigs down with scarves. Don't get me wrong, scarves do the job, but you can't lay I'm not laying a scarf on all my clients. I'm just not doing it, me personally. So yeah, mush that in too. Much that lace in. I combed out the wig just so I could show y'all what it looked like fresh out the bag or whatever, or fresh on, like just combed out. This is 12 inches combed out. Okay, so this is me cutting off my extra lace. Now usually I never lay my wigs down with the extra lace on there. I usually cut it, then lay it, but I was doing something different, following my girl from I Am Beautiful Hustler, and then I found the need to just cut that extra lace off and then just go to town plucking. Now this is what we look like once we done plucked that wig and got it to our likeliness and for it to fit us. Look at that scalp, skin, scalpiana. Yes, let's go. Stop playing. Now, I ain't gonna sit up here and fret, act like I'm the coldest at slaying wigs. That's why I just said this stuff is easy. You just get better at it, okay? I get better at it with time. If you go see an earlier video of me slaying a wig versus this one, definitely you can see progress, okay? So I'm separating the front area where I'm gonna have my baby hairs at. Nothing major, just separate a small little section. Press in my this isn't powder. This is, or is it powder? I don't remember. It's probably I think foundation left over on my just on my makeup brush. But if you had like a client or something like that, you would just obviously dab into some cream. Use a cream, concealer, or foundation, something like that. Then after doing that, I'm gonna take my spray. Usually I use Got To Be. I ain't have any, so I had to use this one. You know, the new one everybody been raving about on the internet. I don't like it, me personally. Like, just trying to slay a wig with just that, like how you would use just Got To Be, don't do it for that. But just hairspray purposes, I guess it's straight. Go ahead, slap that wig lace melt belt on. Go ahead, slap that back on. And what do I do next after this? Make sure you always mushing that in there though. Like, you really want to press and melt that freaking lace in your skin, okay? Do you hear me, young lady? Now we're gonna take the the little wax stick. I'm just about to get ready and press my hair out. Y'all know how this part goes, so I ain't gonna do too much talking. Press out all around my part. Even though, yes, this is curly hair and I'm not wearing it big, I'm wearing it curly, I still press this out. Still press out the roots. Very important. Now, hopping back in, this is where things get more technical. This is another tip that I learned. So what we're gonna do is curl our baby hairs. We're gonna curl our baby hairs backwards. I got this from everybody who got it from Eric and Tay. I ain't never seen him do it, but everybody else do. I, watch tips and stuff like that from on YouTube. They be watching him too, y'all, heavy. So anywho, yes, we're gonna take them flat irons. You can take like the smaller little miniature flat irons if you got them. I don't have none, so these little 1 inches worked for me. But I'm gonna curl my baby hairs backwards, yes. And then this kind of just help like the swooping of your edges. It make that junk go by just so much of a breeze, especially if baby hair is not your forte, you know what I'm saying? You can get the job done for sure with the curling technique. Now I'm gonna take my baby hair goo from Sochar on YouTube and on Instagram, y'all. Check her out if y'all don't already. She another person that I be, getting my little hair spiel from. Dope ass hair artists out here, you feel me? Stick together, yes. But yes, I'm gonna take some of that goo. Honestly, the goo, this was like my first time using it on myself, but the second time using it in general. First time I used it on a client, it was kind of like a learning experience on how to use it. Like, honestly, you just need like a tiny bit, and then you slap it on your edges and get the maneuvering from there. But yeah, it definitely give you like a good hold. You have to use your blow dryer. You gotta use your blow dryer while using this product. Like, get your edge laid in the area you want it, and then I'm gonna show you the blow dryer technique. But after you get your edge set in place, blow dry it, and then like maneuver each piece of baby hair in the direction you want it before you blow dry. Yeah. And then another thing, y'all, the second half of this voiceover is in the later part of the day. Like, I'm super tired, so excuse the raspiness, but we gotta get this video up, okay? These baby hairs, doing baby hairs on camera, because I'm just looking at my not my viewfinder. I guess, yeah, my viewfinder. I don't know. I record off my iPhone, so I'm just looking at my iPhone and trying to see myself and get these edges done. So I only do one for y'all on camera, and then I struggle in the bathroom and finish the rest. But I did want to just let y'all know. Boo, got my little swirly swirl. Got my little swirly swirl. I love doing swirls on my baby hairs. Like, I honestly, I don't even do regular little just swoops no more. Gotta have the swirls. Got to. It ain't right without the swirls no more for me, baby. Like, no. Like, is this a win? No. If it ain't got the swirls, it ain't no win. But yes, I had blow dried it, if y'all peeped while I was talking. I blow dry it on like in between warm and cool. I just keep pushing the cool button in between that, letting it dry until I feel like it's not moving no more. And when I blow dry it, I press on my baby hairs. I'm gonna show you all again though, because you might have missed it, the whole full technique of it all, because Lord, baby hairs, yeah, this actually took me a minute to design my baby hairs, so don't play with your girl. But I'm about to stop strailing in a minute and then just go to the bathroom and kind of finish it. I guess I wanted to show y'all that it get hard trying to do these YouTube videos and stuff and style hair at the same time from the camera. So boom, went to the bathroom. My baby hairs is all whipped and dipped. Now you see my finger, I'm pressing wherever I blow dry, because the goo can make it be like that hair goo. It can make it be kind of like a wavy curly texture. So if you press it though while it's drying, then it won't like curl up on you. Now here I'm seeing that my baby hairs is too long and not swinging how I need them to swing. So boom, simple, cut them. It's nothing to it. Just cut them hoes off. Streets probably calling their names any damn way. You hear me? So boom, press and blow dry. Press and blow dry between warm and cool. Slap that lace smell belt on, yes. Do that makeup, girl, yes. Looking good. Looking real good, actually. I ain't gonna lie. Looking real scrumptious. Let me stop playing. Like I said, it's nighttime, so now I'm sleepy and acting silly on this voiceover. But nothing to it. Like I said, this Brazilian curly hair 4x4 closure wig. So now we about to wet it, because of course, yes, we pressed out the roots. So our roots are flat and laid, and now we're gonna curl out that hair. I don't have a spray bottle. You can obviously clearly just use a spray bottle here. But I wasn't like, I don't got the camera situation set up to be doing this shit by my sink. That's honestly what I usually do too, is just go by my sink and wet my hair, like with the brush going back and forth. But I just filled me up a large bowl with some water, and I'm just brushing the water into my wig. I do believe I show y'all me putting in mousse in my hair. However, after this video, I actually chopped up this wig a little bit, layered it up some. As you seen in that picture I dropped earlier when I was saying it's holding up after 10 days. But I'm gonna drop another picture here. But yeah, as you see it looks good. I used mousse and a curling cream after I cut it up and things. So this is the before look. When I first originally styled it, got my bejewels. I'm looking cute. It's a little longer, but yes, y'all, like I said, the picture I showed y'all was the real final deal of how this wig look, layered and chopped up. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. All right, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope it was informative, educational, entertaining, and satisfying to watch, because I love somebody slaying a good wig, okay? But yeah, if it was all those things, make sure you boom, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure you check out my website, Pretty Babes Hustle, down in the comments, because we always on it popping. We got lashes, we got lip gloss, we got wigs. You can get this one. We here for you, okay? So make sure you go ahead and support your girl. Hit up my Instagram, follow me over there, leave some comments, and follow my TikTok. Make sure y'all add me on TikTok, okay? I swear it always go down. I don't know how much more I could stress to y'all. Follow me on TikTok. That's where it goes down, baby. So yeah, I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video.